Hey designers, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to look how I created this poster by using an AI, just an AI, no Photoshop, no any program, just AI and prompts and the internet. So easy. But before we move on, for those new to our channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so as you be getting notification when we upload the new videos. So let's get started. So in your browser, you have to click on this button here, and from this button you can get the Gemini AI. This is the AI that we'll be using in this tutorial. So I've opened it, and the Gemini, when you open the Gemini, make sure that it is in 2.5 flash, but also you turn on this button. This is the AI that we'll be using to generate our poster. So let's get started. First of all, I'll create the background for my poster. So in Nano AI, here in the prompt section, you have to enter this prompt, create a modern school poster. Don't worry, because the prompts I've given in the description of this video, and you can use them to generate your own poster, but make sure you customize it. From this prompt, it generates this background. Oh wow, this is an amazing background. Just imagine AI is creating this gradient background with these shapes. Oh wow, I really like it. So in this background, as you can see, there are words here, and there is a section where I will be putting my image. So it added some unnecessary text here, so you can tell to remove and remain with a clear background. So I entered another prompt, which it was actually to increase the size of this text here, but yeah, it does not increase it. So this among the limitation of this AI. There are some prompts, or there are some idea which it can't operate. That's why an AI cannot replace a human. So don't worry about your job. Your job is in safe position, as well as you are creative, of course. You are a designer. So for the second prompt, I prompted it is to add a headline text. If school team make a good start, if so it created this one. Wow, school team make a good start, your life come to us. Wow, this is really amazing, man. You see, just a prompt just is a prompt and generate a massive outcome. So as you can see in this picture, the word "come to us" is repeated twice. So and these words I want to be removed. So don't worry, this AI has no sense. I mean, has no feeling. Just command it. Don't beg it. Don't beg AI. Designers, don't beg AI. Just command it. And the following prompt, I was commanded to remove the text in modern evil. So command it. Don't beg an AI. I commanded it, and it, oh wow, this is amazing. It removed the words here and make a clean title. School team make a good start. Wow, this AI is amazing. So I then added a photo, which I prompted that remove background in this photo and attach it in a post as a picture of the student. So this image I downloaded from Google, and then I prompted it. Wow, this is so amazing, guys. Have you seen the results? It has removed the background of the of the image, and it attached it as the back as at the picture of the student. So the next prompt, I tried to tell it to increase the size of the image, but I don't see the results, so it keeps the same image. This is among the disadvantage of this AI. So maybe it is because of my prompt, because I'm not well in English. So you can do more than this. So I continuing with this size. So the next prompt was to I prompted that add a rounded button and the text. So I add this contact as button. So at a few seconds, just a few seconds, it added this contact. Then after adding the contact as button, I shifted to add a QR code for my post, and it is added. Wow, guys, this is marvelous. This is marvelous. It added a QR code. I don't even know where he took this QR code. I've not tested to scan it, but this is AI. And then I continue on the right side, add a green circular badge with white text inside, 30% off. Wow, it created this cycle. Photoshop guys, you may imagine how to create this. Take a little bit time, but this using only prompts it can generate. Wow, this is amazing. And then I continue with at the bottom left to subscribe icon, blah 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 blah. Wow, this is amazing. And I commanded it to add these icons here. And then the last prompt that I've used in this, I tell it to enter the contact detail that I use this as demo. And guys, please subscribe if you have not been subscribed to this channel. Please hit the subscribe button, but also like this video, share this video to others. I know guys, designers are suffering from taking a lot of time designing. So this AI use effective as it is new and it is free of charge. As you can see, I have not upgrade, so I'm in free version of this. So this is your final result of poster. Guys, this is so massive. This AI is massive. It created a good and wow, eye-catching poster. So the only defect or the only drawback of this I've seen is that you have to be strong in writing prompts. You have to be strong in English. So as you can see, this picture it is not quite big as I wanted, but also another limitation. But this limitation can be solved by using prompts. So if you're good in prompts, you can generate more and more effective than this. So guys, that was for today's tutorial. We've done creating our poster, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, but also comment on the comment which you want to learn from AI, or if you have any question about the video, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll be trying my best to read and reply. So guys, see you to the next video. Thank you for watching.